Today we're going to show you how to install the Lincoln aluminum railing system by ColorGuard. The Lincoln deck rail comes fully boxed and includes top and bottom rails, balusters for 36 or 42-inch heights, brackets, fasteners, and support block, and is available in white, black, or bronze. It is also available with a white top and bottom rail and brackets and black balusters. This option is available in even sizes only. To install, you'll need the following tools: drills, speed square, file, pencil, tape measure, several wood spacers cut to the height of the bottom rail, in this case 2 inches, a miter saw, and a level. Pro tip: chips happen. That's why we offer touch-up kits perfectly matched to the color of your railing. The Lincoln deck rail is installed between 2 aluminum posts with cap and collar. To install, first determine where these posts are going to go and mark for pre-drilling. Drill holes, then add 2 leveling strips. Attach leveling screws to the post. Set posts into place and attach using fasteners. Don't tighten all the way as the posts still need to be leveled. Check for level and make necessary adjustments. Once level, tighten the fasteners and attach the post collar. You can now install the Lincoln deck rail. To begin, measure between the post sleeve and the outside edge of the first hole on the other side. Make sure the distance is equal on both sides. Once you find measurements, mark rail for cuts. We recommend taping the top and bottom rails so the inserts don't slide during cutting, and using a small piece of scrap baluster to ensure both pieces are cut to the same length and the holes will line up. Cut your rails using a miter saw. We recommend using a 10-inch 82 carbide blade. Once that's done, measure and cut the included support brace to size. This should be the same height as your spacers. To attach the support brace, find the midpoint of the bottom rail. Mark for the screw and drill a pilot hole. Install the brace plug, then slip on the bottom brace. Next, install the bottom rail brackets, and using the 2 spacing blocks, center the rail in place for installation. Pre-drill pilot holes, then use the number 2 square drive self-tapping screws to brace the bottom rail. Take the balusters and friction lock them into the bottom rail. The Lincoln deck rail features a PVC insert. This prevents metal-on-metal contact and allows the rails to receive the baluster and install quickly and securely. Next, work the balusters into the top rail. While this can be a one-person job, 2 people do make it easier. Tap the top rail down, then slide brackets over each end. Slide the top rail into place, pre-drill pilot holes, then use the number 2 square drive screws to brace it. Add the security screws into the top bracket. Pre-drill using the preset hole, then attach the screws. This will prevent it from sliding. Use the touch-up paint to fix any roughed up areas. Add the flat cap on top, and you're done. Thank you for watching. For more information on ColorGuard railing systems, including product information, options and accessories, installation instructions, and inspirational ideas, please visit us at colorguardrailing.com.